Welcome everyone. This is the agenda for the week of 824 for philosophy. What will you be learning this week? From our last class, I think we'll start and just sort of outline the 4 periods of Western philosophy. So we'll look at the ancient, medieval, modern, and postmodern, perhaps the main characters, and some of the main ideas in each of those time periods. We'll also read a short article called The Value of Philosophy. What are the assignments for this week? There will be a discussion board question on campus assigned today. We will also look in class 2 original works of philosophy, The Madman by Nietzsche and The Value of Philosophy by Russell. So I look forward to seeing you all this week, and have a good day. Bye-bye.